Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. This is Dennis. Today we're going to cook a frozen fish patty, like the kind you get at McDonald's. We're going to use our air fryer, the Gourmia air fryer. So I want to push air fry, probably like 350. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Hit start. It's going to preheat. And then I'll make it just like you do it to get at McDonald's. I got a 6-pack of these at the store for $6 something, $6.99 I think. Let me see, $6.89 for 6 of them. So if you buy one of these at McDonald's, I know it's convenience. What are they, like $5? You can get 5 of those packages. You can get, well no, 4 of those packages, I should say. And then you got 24 of them for the price you buy for one of them. I mean, well, if you bought 6 of them at McDonald's, they'd be like around $30. And then you could buy 4 packages, boxes of 6, and you'd still be ahead. So I know it's all about convenience. If you're on the fly, you know, it's nice to grab something. But what I look at is I try to put out a decent meal at home, and then the money that I do save, I can do other things or help other people, like family and some, you know, stuff like that. So that's why I cook a lot at home. So we're just waiting for it to heat up. When it heats up, then I'll put it in the fish in the air fryer. All right, it says add food. Let's put it in there and let's have it cook. So when it's done, I'll turn you back on and you can see the results. All right, it's almost done. I'm gonna put a piece of cheese on it. Start it back up. Cheese melted yet? Jeez, it kind of like flipped up. Oh well, it's done. We're gonna cancel it out. Gonna burn myself. I'll have to clean that up. Cancel. And there we go. Nice fish sandwich with some potato chips. That's what's for lunch. All right, I added some tartar sauce to it, and that should do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate the people that return to watch my videos. And please subscribe to my channel. Helps the channel out so I can keep putting out more videos. All right, have a good day. Thanks.